As parents and caregivers, we often place the well-being of our children in the hands of others, whether at home, in daycare facilities, or schools. But in today's world, a question lingers in our minds: are they truly safe? Child abuse is a problem that no one wants to imagine, yet it happens far too often. And when it does, it often goes unnoticed, leaving vulnerable children to suffer in silence. Traditional methods of training systems rely on large data sets, requiring these to be labeled and for systems to undergo training using deep learning methodologies. However, when it comes to something as nuanced and varied as child abuse, gathering such a dataset is nearly impossible. Each case of abuse is different, and there simply isn't enough data to cover every possible scenario. That's where Wildface's cutting-edge technology steps in. Our unique intuitive AI doesn't depend on massive datasets or deep learning algorithms. It doesn't require expensive, high-end GPUs. Instead, it's designed to operate efficiently on low-resolution cameras. This groundbreaking technology observes patterns and behaviors in real time, identifying unusual activities or situations that might indicate abuse. But that's not all. Wildface's advanced sound detection system can pick up on the sound of a child crying. It can analyze the sound and video together to determine whether it was caused by abuse or another form of distress. Wildface's technology works to ensure that every child in every environment can be protected.